Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a nostalgic ride back to the late 1960s with a true American family cruiser, the 1968 Plymouth Sport Suburban. This wagon wasn't just about practicality, it carried a touch of sportiness, muscle, and that unmistakable Mopar charm. Let's dive into the details: exterior, interior, performance, and our final thoughts. The 1968 Plymouth Sport Suburban was part of Plymouth's full-size C-body lineup, a wagon built for families who wanted space without sacrificing style. With its clean lines and bold presence, it represented the golden age of American station wagons. Exterior. The exterior of the 1968 Sport Suburban is a blend of elegance and muscle. It featured a long, sleek body with crisp contours that extended from front to rear. The front grille was wide and rectangular, paired with dual headlamps and chrome accents that gave it a confident, commanding stance. The rear end carried the trademark long tailgate with wraparound taillights, emphasizing its practicality. You could even find it with optional roof racks, perfect for cross-country family adventures. Riding on steel wheels with polished hubcaps, it was a vehicle that combined utility with understated style, something you don't often see today. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior designed for comfort and space. The 1968 Sport Suburban could seat up to 9 passengers, thanks to its optional third-row bench seat that faced the rear, a nostalgic feature that many families remember fondly. The dashboard carried Plymouth's classic symmetrical design, featuring clear gauges, chrome trim, and push-button controls for the transmission in earlier models. Upholstery options included vinyl or cloth, and you could get wood-grain paneling along the sides for that premium wagon look. Air conditioning, power windows, and AM/FM radio were available options, a big deal for a family wagon in the late 60s. Performance. Under the hood, performance was surprisingly solid for a car its size. The 1968 Sport Suburban came standard with a 318 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering around 230 horsepower, enough to handle highways and long trips with ease. Buyers could also opt for larger powerplants, like the 383 or even the 440 cubic inch V8, turning the family wagon into a muscle car in disguise. Paired with a TorqueFlite 3-speed automatic transmission, it offered smooth shifts and a relaxed driving experience. The suspension was soft, providing a comfortable ride even on rough roads, and the power steering made it easy to maneuver despite its large size. In conclusion, the 1968 Plymouth Sport Suburban was more than just a family wagon, it was a symbol of American freedom and practicality, with a dash of performance. It represented an era when style, comfort, and muscle could coexist in a single vehicle. Today, these wagons are rare and cherished by collectors for their nostalgic value and unmistakable design. Whether you're into Mopars, vintage wagons, or just love classic automotive history, the 1968 Sport Suburban is a car that deserves respect. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into a true classic, hit that like button, subscribe for more vintage car reviews, and let us know in the comments what classic you'd like to see next.